Hello, good day world. We got a recommendation on how to use a mask in Photoshop. Using a mask in Photoshop is a very good way to do non-destructive work. And you'll see in a minute that this non-destructive work is huge when it comes to larger projects. And if you were to mess up, you can easily go back and fix your mistakes without having to redo everything. When using a mask, you're going to need a second image, which is going to sit underneath the image that we're masking. We're going to go ahead and duplicate this. How we duplicate it is by pressing Command J when it is selected in the Layers panel, and that's just going to make a copy. And then we're going to want to take the image that's above and put it underneath our background copy, just because this is going to be what's coming through in the mask. Now with the top layer selected, we're going to click on this little tiny square box with a circle in it. That's the masking feature. Now you notice that nothing has happened, but that's because we haven't actually done anything yet. But you can see that we have this little white box right beside our image in the Layers panel, and that is actually where all of the masking is going to take place. So when creating a mask, you use two colors, white and black. White reveals and black conceals. And how we're going to reveal and conceal is by using the brush. So press B for your brush and we will get started with creating a mask. Now as you can see, nothing is actually happening, and that's because I have white selected. If I want to take away from the image, I need to have black selected. Actually working here, we're erasing something. If you do find that nothing is happening, make sure that you check your colors that they are white and black. It can't be white and gray or gray and black or any other color. It won't work. It has to be white and black. So as you can see in our masking panel, we've done a little bit of work in it. This is showing with the black space over our whole white canvas. That means we've masked that area out. We can look at it by holding Alt or Option and clicking on the mask. Now we see everything in the mask that's been taken out. This can be very helpful for cleaning up your mask. So I'm just going to take a bunch of things out here and just go around. Now I've quite obviously missed a lot of things in the mask, and that's where this is going to come in handy, where we alt click into the mask and just clean it up. So we're just going to get rid of all of these little white spaces that I missed while masking, because I can't see it on the actual image. Now I'm just going to go around the whole image and get a nice line of where I want masked to the edge, and then clean everything up in the middle. This is going to give me a nice clean look with no little bits and bobs showing up here and there. So there you go. That is how you make a mask. It's pretty simple to create, and if that's not actually what you wanted by chance, it's not destructive and you don't have to delete everything and go back. Now you can just grab your brush, select a larger size, and bring it all back using white. So let's compare the two, now with mask and without mask. And to the untrained eye, or to somebody who really doesn't know how this photo looks, they wouldn't be able to tell that this was a masked photo. So thank you everybody for watching this video. I hope it was helpful, and I hope that you can all get started in masking immediately. If you liked what you saw and you want more, please subscribe. And if you need any kind of work done on a website or design, go ahead and visit us over at monarchwebgroup.nathanielweir.com.